Yeah. What?
Can you give me an ice cream?
What kind you want?
Any color.
Okay. Right back. Yeah, so I was vlogging. I was gonna get this girl an ice cream, so. Oh shit! Oh my god! Who put that in there? Who put that in there? Jesus Christ! Who put this in here? Oh my god! Somebody put that in the. You guys are pushing it too much. You guys put this in the freezer?
No.
I got this to prank people, not to prank your dad. Sit over there. I'll get you ice cream now. Jesus, make me have a heart attack. Whew. Come on. Get you an ice cream, okay? Be back with some more stuff, man. You never know what's gonna happen on over here. Peace.